Okay, I now have audio. I forgot to press the microphone button. So, again, here's the video showing you how to embed your weekly planner that I sent you guys earlier into your Schoology. It's really quick and easy to do that. I'm going to show you through my sandbox course. So when you want something to stay at the top of your Schoology page, you're going to want to do it as an update, which will be like an announcement. So you would go here to the updates and do what you need to do here. But first I'm going to show you what you need to do to make it work for you. So you'll go to materials, click add materials, add page. You do not have to save this. You don't need to title it. You don't need to do anything. Just go here into insert content, Google Drive resource app. And then right here, you'll go ahead and type in the title of what you're looking for. Mine is Tedimer First Week Back. So you can click that and you can either go over here and see your import options or right here to see your import options. What we're looking for is that import embed. You're going to click that. You'll see this, which means it's there. But guess what? You don't need to do anything with it. That's all you had to do. So then just cancel. Okay? Now it's ready for you to go ahead and make it as an update. So I'm going to explain this to you. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to go to the updates. You're going to go to your resource box, go to your apps, Google Drive, same thing, type in the name of your project, import. Now the reason we had to do that other thing first where we had to create the page, this option does not show up in the announcements or the updates if you just go to do it. Now that we've actually done that as a page, for some reason now it's available here. So import embed, and you'll see it works out beautifully right there. And if you want it to always stay at the top of the page, you can hit this right here. You can only do that to one item. So if you have multiple things like other banners or other information you want to stay at the top, you're going to want to include it in here. And if you need help with that, you can ask. So click that bell, hit post. All right, and there you go. It's now at the top of your announcements page. So when I click on my course, it'll say announcement, and there's our weekly planner. You can see everything the students can click through. They can click on the links that are in there, take you right to your Google Meet for that day and that time period. They can do, it's very workable. The great thing about that embed import option is if I make a mistake or I notice there's a typo or I want to add something else to it, I can go back into my slides document, fix that typo, and the next time that the kids log into Schoology or if they refresh it, that typo is now fixed. All right, so it can update in real time, which is really nice. If you have any changes you need to make throughout the week before uploading your next weekly planner. Hope this helps, guys. Have a great week.